We've lost 700 million grassland birds in the U.S. and Canada since 1970. 700 million. Birds like short-eared owls. Once one of our most common owls, these mysterious raptors have almost disappeared in the Northeast United States. Grassland Bird Trust, or GBT, conserves vital habitat for short-eared owls and northern harriers, upland sandpipers, eastern meadowlarks, bobolinks, and other imperiled grassland birds. These birds depend on large, open expanses of fields and meadows to reproduce, feed, and raise their young. GBT works with willing landowners, government agencies, and other partners to permanently protect critical breeding and wintering grounds for the birds, and for us. Grassland Bird Trust spearheaded the formation of and now leads a diverse coalition of conservation groups and other stakeholders working to vastly increase the pace and scale of grassland conservation across the U.S. We're partnering with farmers, renewable energy companies, and government agencies to address rapid habitat loss, widespread use of pesticides, and other harmful chemicals, and climate change. Grassland birds control insects and rodents that damage crops or cause Lyme and other diseases. They share their habitat with pollinators and hundreds of other bird and animal species. Conserved grasslands help mitigate climate change because grasses store carbon in their roots and soil. Scientists estimate that natural resources such as grasslands could store nearly 1/3 of carbon produced in the U.S., but will need to protect 1.7 million acres of grassland a year over the next 10 years to achieve that goal. Grassland Bird Trust is leading the way. We need your help to do more. Together, we can achieve the impossible. Please donate today.